Hello everyone and welcome to video number 10 in Descriptive Statistics. This video is part of the series in which we are learning about descriptive statistics theory, and then we are applying that knowledge into Azure notebooks. In the previous video, we were able to upload datasets files, CSV files, to Azure notebooks. And now we are going to read one of those files and calculate manually the numbers we need, average, mean, mode, things like that. In the next video, we are going to learn how to do the same but using libraries, not manually, and that will help us reduce the code and be more productive. So let's start with importing the Pandas library. Then we need to see which version are we using, 0.19.2. And now we are going to load the datasets. For this, we are using the headbrain dataset, which we uploaded in the previous video. So for that, we use the pandas read CSV function. And then we use the head function just to take a look at the data we have. So we have two columns, head size and brain weight. Then we are going to check the data shape. So basically the data shape will tell us the number of rows and the number of columns. 237 rows and 2 columns. That's pretty easy. What about if we want to calculate the mean? So first we get a sum of the head size. Then we need to know the number of rows. That's using the len and the sum functions respectively. Then to calculate the mean is just the sum of the head size divided by the number of rows. And then we got it. That's the mean head size. Let's do the same with the brain weight. We can do that in one single line. So instead of multiple lines like we did it here, we can do it like is shown in the screen. So that's the mean for the brain weight. What about if we want to calculate the median of the head size? So first we get the number of rows. We need to check which type is the head size. Then we need to sort it. So we are going to sort that series and we are going to show some of the values here. The next step is to know the index or the middle index. So we know we have odd numbers of rows, 237. So we are going to get the one in the middle. So that's going to be the 119 index. Because we already sorted, now we can get the median value for the head size, and that's 3615. Now let's check the mode. So the mode is basically for every brain weight, we are going to sum the number of occurrences. So that's the frequency. As you can see here, for 1060, we have it twice. For others, we have it 4, 1, etc. Okay, let's go down. Then we can get which one of the sizes has the bigger frequency, and that's 1350. Because that value is 8 times in the dataset. Now let's get the mean and max values. So we have for the head size, of course, 2720 and 4747. Let's get the range of the head size. and that's 2027. And that's easy. Use the max minus the minimum. But that took really a long time, and we don't want to do that in every data science project. Doesn't make any sense. In the next video, we are going to do it using Python libraries, and we are going to see how easy it is to do it. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one.